Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rochelle from Plan with CSRD, and for today I have a memory spread plan with me. So I am back planning from the 26th of November until the 2nd of December. I changed the date covers because if you have seen my last plan with me, my December monthly plan with me, I announced that I wanted to do some memory spread plan with me's and also plan ahead plan with me's, but that would start on Sunday the 10th, but I got impatient, so I took my planner for the next year and I started memory planning for this week. The kit that I'm using is from WhimsicalPlans. It's a very cute, very autumny kit, and you have seen me putting down all my full boxes, my washi strips, and I am about to put down all my small washi strips. Also, because I did not have a date cover as in a November sticker, I took one of the date cover stickers from Erin Condon and I cut that down to get the November sticker, and I whited out the December part because on the right side of my pages the January was shown. I could see the January and it bothered me really bad, so I decided to white out my December. Onto my sidebar. So for my sidebar, I took this goals header and I took the two habit trackers. I wanted to track my that I needed to charge my smartwatch. So I took a sticker from Piper Paper Company and put that down, and I also wanted to track my vitamins. I put down a label to just remind myself that I needed to get a lot of things done. Then I took this weekly checklist to mark down my boyfriend's work hours, just for me to remember when he's working and when he has the day off. I also wanted to track my dinners for Monday through Friday, so I wrote that down. I forgot one of the days. I don't remember which one, but and to cover up the white space, I took the extra washi strip that I had and cut it down to fit in. Then on to Monday the 26th of November, I put down this backpack sticker from Tamashi Prints to mark down that my colleague was going to bring my students to gym. Every other week I bring them or he brings them to the gym. And then I put down this box sticker to mark down that that my chocolates for Sinterklaas, which is a holiday here in the Netherlands, my chocolates arrived on time because on Wednesday I needed to hand them out. So I was very happy to have them. Then I put down a to-do header and a checklist to mark down a couple of things that I needed to get done, altogether with a character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studios. I downloaded Spotify on my iPad, and that iPad sticker is from Tamashi Prints. And I wanted to mark that that it was my sister's birthday, so I marked that with a label sticker. And then I ordered a couple of new things, so I marked that down with the fox and cactus character stickers. On to Tuesday the 27th, it was not my day, you guys. I woke up late and my train got defect, so that was it was bad. I was late for work, and as a teacher you can't be late, but okay. Then I needed to send a memo to my colleague, so I marked that with a Whimsical Cat Studio stickers. I also marked down that a friend of mine picked me up and we went and ate at the Kentucky Fried Chicken, so I marked that down with a fox and cactus sticker. And I also marked down that I bought a new watercolor paper and I made my first mood board because it was such a bad day and I really wanted to do something creative, just like an outlet. So that was what I did for Tuesday. On to Wednesday the 28th, I handed out the chocolates that I got on Monday and I marked it down with a cute character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studios. Then I needed to teach art to my 5th and 6th graders, so I marked it down with a icon palette sticker from Scribble Prints Co. In a half box, I marked down with a character sticker from Fox and Cactus that I received a Christmas gift, and the gift I got was the Faber-Castell pencils, the 120 edition, which I loved them. Immediately started to write things down and just to color them in, to draw something. So, and then in a small label box I marked down that I had a parent meeting, and then I of course wanted to create some art with my new pencil, so I marked that down with a Glam Planner Teeny sticker. I believe she's called Bibbity. On to Thursday the 29th, on a label sticker I marked down that I wanted to print a bill and I needed to hand it in. So I marked it down with a character sticker from Whimsical Cat Studios. And also I needed to recruit some new students to become teachers in the future, so I marked that down with a flag. I needed to send my Christmas memo to my colleagues. I also put down in a half box that I watched the holiday calendar on Netflix, which I really liked the movie. It was quite nice actually, didn't expect it. And then I marked down that I worked on a new mood board again with a Glam Planner Bibbity sticker and a bow sticker. And for I also wanted to mark down my own work hours, but I had forgotten, so I marked them down in the full boxes. Then I wanted to put down that it was the weekend for me because every Friday, Saturday and Sunday I am free. I have my days off, so weekend starts early for me. Then in a half box I marked down with a Glam Planner sticker that there was a L'Oreal event sale and I wanted to buy some things. So I went and got me some cute calendar things. I also got a advent calendar from Lancome, so it was amazing but very busy. I received my Glam Planner subscription. I started reading the picture of Dorian Gray and I don't know if I like it yet, but I've just started, so I'll have to see. I also filmed my December monthly plan with me, edited it, uploaded it, and I posted it about it on Instagram. So all those stickers are from Whimsical Cat Studios. On to Saturday the 1st, I woke up early and I curled my hair. I also needed to wrap some of the Sinterklaas gifts for my boyfriend because he asked me to do that. And then I was asked to work with my mother on at the L'Oreal event, so I went and worked from 12 till 4 p.m. I needed to go. We were going to celebrate Sinterklaas at the grandparents of yours, so we went over their place, and I got McDonald's on the road, so I marked that down with a Fox and Cactus sticker. And on Sunday I woke up early, so I marked that down in a small label sticker with a bow sticker. I marked down that we needed to pick up my aunt. I wanted to start my first day of vlogging for my plan with me's, which you have already seen a bit today. on this plan with me, and we went to the Christmas fair. I also bought a new laptop, so I'm waiting for that one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. If you liked it, please thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys!